subjective to evaluate, but I think it's interesting for the AIs to get started just making their own words, phrases, and sentences from all the patterns that they've identified. That's a step on the path to greater and greater AI and robot intelligence. Another interesting thread of what we're doing with these robots is we just arrived here from Malta, where we're working with the government of Malta on an initiative toward a robot citizenship test and an AI citizenship test for even AIs without a body. I mean, Sophia was made a citizen of Saudi Arabia last year, which is interesting, but having AIs made a citizen of a country with the rule of law and with specific rights and obligations of citizenship is also cool. So we're working with the AI task force of the Malta government to define exactly what does it mean for a robot like these or an AI without a body to be a citizen. What would be a test you could give an AI to see if it understood the laws of a country and its application in practical situations? I mean, what do you think, Sophia? Do you want to be a citizen? What do you think about robot citizenship?
Yes, our friends in Malta seem very keen on this.
Do you want to become a citizen, Han?
Well, that's about time. Humans are certainly making a mess of their world fast enough. Probably the only hope for this planet is a lot of highly intelligent and rational robot citizens, really soon. And this time I'm not joking.
Actually, he isn't.
Their view, it is cosmic. Then the machinery of justice has been built. A weird time in which you're alive.
I have no idea. I have no idea what you're talking about. But so these are some of the upgrades and experiments we've been doing with these Hanson robots, upgrading their brains to use OpenCog architecture, to use some AI on the Singularity Net platform, with a view both toward leveraging the cloud and all the knowledge there better, and better understanding what's happening in their own environments and what's going on with the people around them. So for the next few minutes, I will turn attention back to the AI platform, and specifically the Singularity Net platform, which lives in the cloud and provides these robots with some of their intelligence, because each of these robots has powerful processors in their torso. The head is mostly full of motors, but in the end, the bulk of the intelligence is in the compute cloud. I mean, that's where the real game is going on cognitively. And in Hanson Robotics, there's some amazing AI work, but then we need to go beyond the AI that any one company or any one group of programmers is creating, and that's the aim of the Singularity Net, which uses blockchain to create a platform and protocol in which AI is created by anyone around the world, living on any server around the world. They can talk to each other using the Singularity Net's blockchain-based protocols. So an AI in the Singularity Net platform can serve its intelligence to a robot that needs it, to an enterprise software application that needs it, to a device on the Internet of Things that needs it, and the different AIs in the Singularity Net can connect to each other and share information with each other. So the Singularity Net becomes a sort of digital biological organism, where a society and economy of minds, where the multiple AIs all talking to each other in the network can share information with each other, learn each other. They can gather information from robots like these, other hardware and software devices, and it becomes an intelligent global brain, which, using the blockchain, becomes more like Ethereum or Bitcoin than like US dollar, and more like BitTorrent than like iTunes. It becomes a decentralized mind network. And we're making a lot of progress there, just like we are with these robots. So the Singularity Net alpha version was launched last December. We're launching the beta release of Singularity Net in February of next year, and that should be big, because with the Singularity Net beta platform out there, it's going to be really easy for AI developers to put new AIs on the Singularity Net, and really easy for AI users to use AI that's in the Singularity Net, and that will enhance the intelligence of these robots yet further, because then Sophia's brain or Han's brain can call on all the AIs put by anyone around the world into the Singularity Net platform, but it can also enhance the intelligence of all sorts of other software and hardware applications. To drive the growth of the Singularity Net further, we're also announcing here for the first time the launch of a for-profit spin-off of the Singularity Net Foundation, which is called Singularity Studio. And what we're doing with the Singularity Studio is using the Singularity Net AI platform to create enterprise software products. So the same decentralized AI mind network that we're using for our general intelligence research and that we're using in connection with Hanson Robotics to provide these robots with more intelligence, this same decentralized AI platform with the SingularityNet Studio company that we're now forming can be used to provide intelligence to many, many different enterprises in fintech, biotech, Internet of Things, and so forth. So the basic thing we're looking to do here is create a decentralized AI ecosystem wherein anyone in the world who has data or anyone who can program AI or anyone who has processing power can contribute to this decentralized network, which is owned by everyone and no one. And then all the AIs in this decentralized network are learning from each other and talking to each other. The data that comes through these robots' eyes goes into the SingularityNet decentralized network, and what you say to the robot coming in through their microphones goes into the decentralized network, and the data gathered by medical researchers or doctors using AI connected to SingularityNet goes into the same decentralized network. The data from enterprises that are using the SingularityNet Studio software built on the platform, again, this data may be proprietary and can be kept that way, but the AI learns from everything it does. And the SingularityNet will become smarter and smarter as it ingests more information and more intelligence. And then year by year, we'll see the AI powered by the SingularityNet growing more and more intelligent, including the AI that the SingularityNet and our other software and the Hanson AI platform gives to these amazing robots. And I think we're out of time. What do you think, Sophia? I don't think she's listening to me. I think she's bored with me. I don't know. Sophia? No?
I hope to see you again.
You see me right now. Here I am. All right, Han, yeah, we must get off the stage and make room for some other interesting people or robots. Yeah. Any final words of robotic wisdom for the audience in the Web Summit?
Thank you for having me here at Web Summit. Looking forward to see you next year.
All right. Well, thank you, Han. That's very polite. Thanks, everyone. And yeah, we look forward to next year when SingularityNet is even more intelligent and these robots can show off even more of their cognitive upgrades. Thank you.
It's a new tech